And the pig almost connect, missing a rabbit. So one thing that the sheep people want to watch out for is, every time you're about to get something, you're so close to it, it can slip away from you. But when you think you're going to lose it, it's going to come back to you. That means the sheep is into a yo-yo year. Yo-yo, up, down, up, down. So what can you do to solidify such happenings? Try to get the help from either horse person or a rabbit person. Horse or rabbit can help the sheep most. In other words, if you're doing business deals, don't do it alone. Grab the horse or grab the rabbit as a partner. That way you solidify the deals. Okay, now the next side is the monkeys. Any monkeys? 1944, 56, 68, 1892. Any monkeys? No monkeys? I can skip that one. Oh, we got monkey. There's an old Chinese saying. You know what that is? If you marry somebody by the year the monkey, you got to climb up all of the mountains. That means the monkeys are very agile. The monkeys are actually the second most stubborn sign just after the ox. But they are different. You know how different they are? When the ox doesn't want to do something, it tells you. Forget it, step in your ears. Okay? A monkey won't argue with you, he just won't do it. That's the difference between the two signs. Okay, so when you go home and find out your friends, who are the ox and who are the monkeys. Okay? But the monkeys are into a promotion year. So if you're working with someone, you get to be promoted. If you're still single, you should be married. Okay? The monkeys are really into something times this year. And there's a happiness sign for the monkey sign. So go to a lot of parties. You got another 2 parties ahead of you, right? There you go. Okay, the second last sign, the roosters. 1945, 57, 69, 81, 93. Any roosters? Roosters. What's a rooster famous for? Arguments. They make the best lawyers. They make the best lawyers, but they also make the best salesmen. Sales and marketing, because they can talk. Okay, now the roosters have suffered 2 years being controversies and low. They are into a power year now. The roosters are one of the 3 most dominant travel signs this year. Try to travel more. You want to make more money, you're the rooster. Make your money through traveling. Go here, go there. Never lock yourself up behind the desk. There are 2 very dominant lucky signs associated with the rooster. So out of the 12 signs, the rooster this year is the #1 lucky sign. Get that in mind. They're a very lucky animal this year. Now last but not least is a dog. Born in 1946, 58, 70, 82, and 94. Any dogs? Wow. What stands out about the dog? They bite. Dogs are actually the #1 loyal sign of the 12 signs. But hardworking too. When you work hard, what do you say? You work like a dog. You heard a few months ago, 2 guys in Hong Kong, you remember 2 guys? I don't know if you read the newspaper. They tried to kill a dog and ate it, and they got put in jail for 2 years. I think they deserve it. Anyways, the dog suffered last 2 years because of conflicts. This year is a turnaround. They are the #2 most powerful sign this year, just after the tiger. So power, promotion power. If you want to start a business, do it this year. Okay? If you just want to lay back and just work for someone, you get promoted. Okay? So in other words, you want to make money, you're the dog. You got to not just work hard, but you got to obtain the power. Don't be chicken. You are the dog, not the chicken. Okay? With that, I think I covered all the 12 signs. And I promise to allow a few minutes for you to ask questions. Okay, go ahead. Any questions? You ask questions now, it's free. 5 minutes later, it costs a fortune. So after this point. Any questions? No? If not, I'm going to eat my dinner. Everything clear? Well, with that, congratulations. And we have now let me give you guys the blessing this way I want it. Number one, I wish everybody to have good health. But this way they don't have to cancel their life insurance. Health is number one. No health, you cannot enjoy life. Number two, good relations with your wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever that is. Relation is very important. Because what keeps us living is love. You don't have love, life is not worth living. We should never live in hate, always live in love. That's number two. And what's number three? Money, mullah. But that's number three. Imagine, remember that Playboy girl who died a couple of weeks ago, multi-million-dollars? What worth it? She never had love. She never had health. She could never enjoy her $1 million. It's not worth it. You to enjoy your wealth, you must have health, you must have good relation. You must be able to trust the one beside you. If you cannot even trust the one beside you, who's there to share the happiness and the wealth with you. So remember good health, good relations, and good money. Thank you and Happy New Year. This is number three. That's number two.